Enthusiast, this is your dedicated tactical flashlight for law enforcers or any professions alike. Tingnan nyo to. Sofern SC28. Ito ay dinisenyo specifically para sa tactical applications. On its tactical setting, the first click takes you to turbo. Pangalawang click ay strobe at yung huli ay medium for regular illumination. Meron din naman tong normal mode kung gusto mo. Pwede mong palitan yung programming niya on the fly. Let's test the beam shots outside. Let's go. Sofern SC28. Very good flood. This is the turbo. Low, medium, high, turbo. Yan. Pakalakas. Very nice flood. This is the echo. This is the low, medium, high, and then turbo. This is the turbo. Very floody. Yeah. Sofern SC28 tactical flashlight. A nice floodlight. There. Super bright. Wow. Yan ang flashlight. Pag-usapan naman natin ang kanyang emitter, reflector, build quality at ibang specs. So yung LED niya ay XHP50D LED at ito ay kayang umabot ng 2,800 lumens sa kanyang turbo at sa kanyang strobe. Napakalakas na nun. At pansin nyo itong TIR lens niya. It's very attractive at naiintriga ako dito. And the way it distributes light, it's amazing. Napakaganda. Gustong-gusto ko yung beam quality niya. Good throw and good flood. Yung battery naman niya is 21700. Maganda yung capacity niya. Long lasting. So, ito yung battery niya. Yung material at build quality naman niya, nakikita nyo, meron siyang very textured grips and hindi mawawala yung tactical switch. Yan. Tail switch. Pwede mo na siyang i-tail stand if you want to. There you go. Meron siyang pocket clip na removable at adjustable. You could charge this using your regular USB Type-C at meron din siyang water resistance na IP68. That means pwede mo itong malubog sa tubig up to 2 meters. On its normal setting, meron siyang moonlight, low, medium, high, and turbo. On its turbo, pwedeng umabot ang kanyang liwanag na 223 meters. Ito lang yung tail switch niya. Pwede mo i-full press, pwede mo ring i-half press for momentary activation. Yan, pwede mo siyang i-half press. And when you half press it quick, mabilis mo siyang masa-cycle sa kanyang mga intensities. Turbo, strobe, medium. Yan, mabilis lang. Pag naka-full press ka, diretso sa turbo, strobe, medium. Turbo, strobe, medium. Yan. Mabilis na pagpapalit. Yan. Turbo, strobe, medium. So we have tested the beam shots of the Sofern SC28 and you can already see how the TIR lens and this kind of pattern nicely spread out the light. So napakaganda nung beam profile niya. Yung ganitong klaseng reflector, so tingnan nyo naman. So if you can see that pattern. Sakto yung focus, para sa akin sakto yung focus. And maganda yung bato. Very good for tactical applications. It has a crenulated bezel, very tactical, USB-C charging, 21700 high capacity, 500 milliamp hour na battery. Very good build quality. It has a pocket clip, tactical switch, and there's two modes, duty mode and tactical mode. So if you're on a budget and gusto mo ng tactical flashlight or dedicated tactical flashlight, this is the flashlight that you need to have. Sofirn SC28. You can get this flashlight. Tingnan nyo lang sa description. Alam nyo na. Thank you for sticking around and see you on the next video.